Remove both bolts and separate grips into 2 pieces. Place grips on either side of the track. Tap lightly on each end with a rubber mallet if needed. Some skid steer models will require a spacer on the underside lip for spacing. If the grip is too loose, add spacer plate. Align bolt holes. Once bolt holes are aligned, put bolts through and tighten using a wrench. Do not over-tighten. Do not use impact tools to tighten bolts. Repeat steps 1 through 4 for each grip, spacing them 1.5 feet apart around each track. Spacing should be even. RubberGrip is also available for boxed rubber tracks on excavators and skid steers. The offset version of RubberGrip is installed for this application. Important information: do not over-tighten. Do not use impact tools to tighten bolts. After confirming correct placement, perform another fit check after 10 minutes of use. Check periodically to ensure bolts are still tight. On removal, lube bolt threads with grease or oil. Ensure correct protective equipment, including gloves and safety glasses, are used during installation.
Track grip. Tougher than the toughest terrain.